After knowing the first concept, origin and development of statistics, now we are going to learn definition of statistics. The first and foremost definition was given by A.L. Bowley. He was the first man to given the definition regarding statistics. Statistics as the science of counting. But counting alone is not a statistics. Nowadays, according to development of the information technology, after counting, we are analyzing the information, we are comparing the information, we are getting the valid conclusion. But this definition is suitable only for olden days. Why? Because the kings, they are ruling our country. The main motto of the king is he has to expand his kingdom. To fight with the other kings, he is collecting the information regarding how many soldiers are there, how many horses are there, how many elephants are there. This number is sufficient to fight with the other kings or not. Like that, they are counting the information. That's why this definition is failure. According to nowadays, this definition is not complete sense. Next, he himself realized the drawback of the first definition. He gave one more definition: statistics as the science of averages. Science of averages. Generally, after collecting the information, we are taking the average. But this is also not the complete definition of statistics. Why? Because here I will give one example. There are three students, A, B, C. The student A scored 50 marks in first subject out of 100. In second subject, 50 out of 100. Third subject also 50 out of 100. The total is 150. His average is 50%. Student B, he scored 100 in first subject. Second subject 49. Third subject is 1 mark. His total is also 150. His average is 50%. Third student is scored 75 in first subject, 50 in second subject, 25 in third subject. His total is also 150. The average is 50%. Suppose I want to give one merit scholarship among these students. Whom should I give? Generally, the students will refer student A. Why? Because he passed in all the subjects. Forget about it. They are not at all the students. They are the cricket batsmen. On the time, whom should we refer? Generally, the people will refer batsman. Why? Because he made a century. But all the averages are same. In the first, if you are thinking if they are the students, we are referring A. If you are thinking they are the batsmen, we are referring batsman B. The conclusion should not be like this for the same definition. That's why, based on the consistent performance of the whether it's a student or a batsman, all we should refer the person A. Like that, this average definition is not the complete sense of the definition of statistics. That's why this definition is also failed. One more definition was given by Boddington. Statistics as the science of estimates and probabilities. Estimates and probabilities. He given the definition like this: statistics as the science of estimates and probabilities. But that estimates and probabilities are only a part of a statistics. It is also not complete sense. Why? Because in mathematics, algebra is one part, arithmetic is one part, geometry is one part. Like that, the estimation probabilities are only a part of statistics. But all these definitions are acceptable. Next, the one more definition was given by Croxton and Cowden. Statistics is the science of collection, organization, presentation, analysis, and interpretation of numerical data. Interpretation of numerical data. Compared to the first three definitions, somewhat is a good definition. Statistics is the science of collection, organization, presentation, analysis, and interpretation of numerical data. As a statistician, the first duty is he has to collect the numerical data. After collecting the numerical data, he has to organize the data. Organization in sense is nothing but scrutiny and editing he has to do. According to our purpose, he has to do the scrutiny and editing. Next, presentation. He has to present the data in the form of tables, diagrams, and graphs. For more understanding purpose, for more analysis purpose, he has to present the data in the form of tabular form. After tabulation, he has to analyze the data. Here, he has to apply statistical formulas, tools, and techniques. Finally, he has to interpret the results. He is getting the valid conclusions. It is nothing but statistics. Statistics is a science of collection, organization, presentation, analysis, and interpretation of the numerical data. If you observe here, in all the definitions, they mention science, science, science. Science is a disciplined subject. To get any good conclusion in the science, they are following the step-by-step procedure. In physics, chemistry, biology, in other subjects also, they are following the step-by-step procedure to get the valid results. In the same manner, in statistics also, if you want to draw the valid result conclusions, you have to follow the step-by-step procedure. That is, first step is we have to collect the data. Second step is we have to organize the data. Third step is we have to present the data. Next step is we have to analyze the data. And the last step is we have to draw the valid conclusions. This is nothing but statistics. Okay. In all the four definitions, it is in the form of singular sense. Here, the singular sense is nothing but we are drawing the valid conclusion based on the numerical data. All these definitions are in the singular sense. Suppose in the examination, if they ask, define statistics in singular sense. You can write any one of the definition among the four definitions. Particularly if they ask, give the definition of Bowley of statistics, you have to write Bowley definition, any one definition. Like that, give the definition of Boddington, you have to write the Boddington definition. Give the definition of Clarkson-Cowden of statistics, and then you have to write this definition. Okay, next, one more definition given by Horak-Secrist. It is the definition in the plural sense. This definition is based on the numerical facts, numerical information. According to Horak-Secrist, statistics means aggregate of facts affected to a marked extent by multiplicity of causes numerically expressed enumerated or estimated according to reasonable standards of accuracy collected in a systematic manner for a predetermined purpose and placed in relation to each other. It is the plural sense of definition given by Horak-Secrist. Statistics means aggregate of facts affected to a marked extent by a multiplicity of causes, numerically expressed, enumerated or estimated according to reasonable standards of accuracy, collected in a systematic manner for a predetermined purpose and placed in relation to each other. Here he covered all the aspects of statistics. It is the wider definition of statistics. This definition we can express as a characteristics of statistics, features of statistics. Okay, the same definition I will explain in terms of the characteristics. Okay. Now, you written the definition of Horak-Secrist. I will recall the definition. Statistics means aggregate of facts, marked extent by a multiplicity of causes, numerically expressed, enumerated or estimated according to reasonable standards of accuracy, collected in a systematic manner for a predetermined purpose and placed in relation to each other. This definition is nothing but characteristics of statistics, and also we may call as features of statistics. First one is statistics are aggregate of facts. Statistics are aggregate of facts. This is the first characteristics of the statistics. Here, facts means information. Known information we have to represent in the form of aggregate. Aggregate is nothing but average. If it is a single value, it is not a statistics. Always statistics refers to a group of data. For example, average production of steel in the year 2019 is 200 tons. Average exports of steel in the year 2020 is 300 tons of 300 tons. Like that, you have to express in terms of the average. If it is a single value, it is not a statistics. Always statistics refer to the group of data. I will give one more example. Suppose how much rainfall occurred in Bangalore South in the month of September. Suppose if any higher authorities are asked the statisticians, he has to tell at an average 16 millimeters rainfall occurred in Bangalore South in the month of September. He has to express like this. Next, the second characteristic is statistics are affected to a marked extent by multiplicity of causes. Multiplicity of causes. This statistics value is affected by because of many causes, many reasons. Here I will give one example. One particular taluka, a high yield of paddy is produced. For example, 100 tons of paddy is produced in particular taluka, in particular acre of land. What are the causes for this high yield of paddy? It may be good rainfall, or the farmer may be using good quality of seeds. The amount of fertilizers may be used. Next, good encouragement by the bankers and government. All these are the many causes to affect this numerical value. One more example, a student scored 98% in the final examination. What are the causes? Maybe good memory or good encouragement by the parents and teachers, or he may utilize the good library books. All these causes he got the numerical value. That's why the statistics are affected to a marked extent by because of the various reasons, various causes. Next, statistics are collected in a systematic manner. Statistics are numerically expressed. Numerically expressed. All the statistical information we have to express in terms of the numerical value. For example, how many people are participated in the rally conducted by a political party? We have to tell nearly 1 lakh people are participated in that rally. We should not say a lot of people are participated. Lot is nothing but it is not a quantitative characteristics. Okay, here we have to express in terms of the quantitative characteristics. That means we have to express in terms of the numerical value. Then only it is a statistics. That means all the statistical informations we have to express in terms of the numerical value. Next, fourth step is statistics are aggregate of facts, marked extent by multiplicity of causes, numerically expressed. The fourth step is enumerated or estimated according to reasonable standards of accuracy. According to reasonable standards of accuracy. Enumerate is nothing but counting, estimating. We have to estimate the information, we have to counting the information according to reasonable standards. If the data was limited, you can count the information. For example, how many students are passed out of 78 students? You can count and you can tell. Here the scope was limited. If the scope was wide, you have to roughly you can estimate in a reasonable standards. Nearly 85,000 people are attended in that cricket match. Like that, you can roughly you can estimate the value also. That's why the statistics are enumerated or estimated according to reasonable standards of accuracy. One more example I will give. Suppose while measuring the iron, you are not giving importance to milligrams. You can give importance to grams, kgs, tons, quintals also you can give. But while measuring the gold, you are giving importance to milligrams also. Why? Because it is a costly thing. That's why here also you are expressing in the measuring the gold in a more accuracy manner. Next, statistics means aggregate of facts affected by marked extent by multiplicity of causes, numerically expressed, enumerated or estimated according to reasonable standards of accuracy. Next step is collected in a systematic manner. Statistics are collected in a systematic manner. Collected in a systematic manner. Generally, before going to entering into the survey field, the statistics he has to organize the information in a systematic manner. In a step-by-step procedure, he has to prepare a questionnaire. Based on that questionnaire, he has to collect the information in a systematic manner. If you cut the information in a systematic manner, there is no confusion. Definitely, you will apply the correct formulas, you will get the correct results. Just one example I will give you. How your information, the SLC board is arranged in a systematic manner. If you observe the SLC mass card, they arrange the information in a systematic manner from a step-by-step process. Like that also in the survey field, as a statisticians, we have to collect the data in a systematic manner. In a step-by-step procedure, we have to collect the data, and also the data you have to collect in a logical manner. It should be linked with one concept to another concept. Like that, you have to collect the information. Statistics means aggregate of facts, marked extent by a multiplicity of causes, enumerated or numerically expressed, enumerated or estimated according to reasonable standards of accuracy, collected in a systematic manner. Next step is statistics are collected for a predetermined purpose. Predetermined purpose. All the statistical data we are collecting based on some purpose, based on some aim, we are collecting the information. Then only you will go in a correct way, you will get the correct results. But predetermined purpose, for example, I have to start a new college tournament in this locality. Before going to start the PU college tournament, I am doing one survey. In nearby that location, how many secondary schools are there? What is the percentage of girls passing in SLC examination? Exclusively for girls' education, where they are traveling. All these things are, I have to collect the information, I have to analyze the information, finally I have to take the decision whether I have to stop the PU college for women or not. I have to take the decision. That means for predetermined purpose, based on some aim, based on some objective, you have to collect the data. Unnecessarily, nobody will collect the information. Suppose if they are collecting, it is the waste of time, it is the waste of money also, it is the waste of energy also. Next, last step is, that is seventh step is, I will repeat the definition. Statistics is aggregate of facts affected by a marked action by multiplicity of causes, numerically expressed, enumerated or estimated according to reasonable standards of accuracy, collected in a systematic manner for a predetermined purpose and placed in relation to each other. Statistics should be placed in relation to each other. Here, whatever data you are collecting, it should be in homogeneity of data you have to collect. Better to collect the homogeneity of data. On the time, the comparison is possible. We can easily compare. For example, heights of human beings and heights of trees, if you compare, you won't get any valid conclusion. Like that, you have to collect the related data. Better to collect the related data, and we can analyze easily. We'll get the good conclusion. These are the 7 characteristics of statistics. The first one is statistics are aggregate of facts. Second step is statistics are affected to a marked extent by a multiplicity of causes. Statistics are numerically expressed. Statistics are estimated or enumerated according to reasonable standards of accuracy. Statistics are collected in a systematic manner. Statistics are collected for a predetermined purpose. Statistics should be placed in relation to each other. All these are the characteristics of statistics. It is nothing but Horace simplest definition. After understanding the characteristics of statistics, now we are going to learn main divisions of statistics. It is nothing but branches of statistics. It is nothing but branches of statistics. There are 2 branches of statistics. One is statistical methods. Statistical methods. The statistical methods means it is the general procedure of statistics after analyzing to taking the decisions. It is nothing but statistical methods. It is the general procedure of numerical data. After getting the numerical data, we are analyzing the data, we are getting the valid conclusion. That is nothing but for decision making, we are following the step-by-step procedure. It is nothing but statistical methods. Next, number 2 is applied statistics. Applied statistics. Here, the same procedure, whatever procedure you are following in the statistical methods, the same procedure you are applying in the other subjects. That means other than statistics subjects, you are applying the statistical methods techniques. That is applied statistics. Here, application of statistics in other subjects, for example, biometry. Application of statistical techniques in the field of biology. That means biostatistics. Econometrics. Application of statistical techniques in economics. Application of statistical techniques in engineering statistics. Application of statistical techniques in the field of agricultural statistics. Application of statistical techniques in the field of stylometry, that means statistics in literature. Application of statistics in quality control. Like that, we are applying the statistical concepts, tools and techniques in the field of other subjects is called applied statistics. Mainly there are two divisions of statistics. After understanding the concept of characteristics of statistics, the next one is the main divisions of statistics. It is nothing but divisions of statistics. It is nothing but branches of statistics. Divisions of statistics or branches of statistics. Mainly there are two divisions of statistics. One is statistical methods. Statistical methods. It is the general procedure of statistical analysis for decision making. To take the decision, we have to follow the general procedure of statistics is nothing but statistical methods. Next one is applied statistics. Applied statistics. Here also you are applying the statistical procedure in the field of other subjects is called applied statistics. Here also we are following the general procedure of statistical techniques in the field of other subjects. For example, biometry. In the biometry, we are applying the statistical concepts in the field of biology. That's why biostatistics has developed. Next, econometrics. Econometric or econometrics. Econometry. Here also we are applying the statistical techniques in the field of economics. Next, psychometry. Here we are applying the statistical techniques in the field of psychology. Stylometry. Here also we are applying the statistical techniques in the field of literature. That's why it is called stylometry. Demography. Here we are applying the statistical techniques in the field of population. The study of population is called demography. Like that, in various fields, widely we are applying the statistical techniques. The second division is applied statistics.